Just my way, it's the way I say I wanna do every single day. I wanna reap that seed, I harvest the G within my community. Wanna see everybody grow certain type of ways. I know it sounds corny though. People don't wanna hear about good and wealth and seeing what the success is about. They'd rather be shooting all the blocks around. It's just not me, man. I got the power, the energy. I will strive to be the next big thing so I can share with you. Me, you, we all together in this crew. It's my community and I want to bring it closer, G, cause it's my message, sopping in nature. We all God's creation, we all bringing the heat all day, it rain. You don't need them greenbacks, man. You got everything in your hand. You got it in your brain, in your soul, your energy. Yo, what else you need though? I can share with you what I know is the truth for me. It's my kiddo. I'm the king within my community. For me, everybody around me is kings, you see. We all bring that good energy and we don't tolerate that BS, you see. Take it around somewhere else, cause around here we got fam, you see. We got the audio God's community. We got plenty folks all around me. Fam is the key. Stick with yourself.